Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm just gonna put you somewhere. It's been a minute since I've vlogged or even gotten ready for that matter of fact. I've like literally spent last couple of days doing nothing, absolutely nothing. But yeah, how are you guys? What's up? Welcome back with my glam after so long. Not even been watching YouTube these past couple of days. I've just had it with YouTube. I just thought that I should vlog today and have some content to post. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I just got ready. I took a couple of pictures. I was just doing like a self-portrait shoot. Don't really do too much. I just set up my tripod wherever I want to and like set up my ring light and everything, and that's basically what I do. I already took like a couple of pictures, but I'm gonna take some more so that I would just vlog the whole thing for you guys. It's actually about 5:30ish right now. I woke up super late. I woke up at around 12:30 and then I had my lunch come breakfast at around 2. I just made like the Indian version of French toast. That's what I had in the morning. And then I just got ready for the day and yeah, I started shooting. I just use this part right here, this mirror portion right here as my background. I'm just quickly gonna change into another outfit and then I'm gonna take a couple more shots. Also my glam today I've put like shit ton of highlighter. You can literally see it, but yeah, I did like a soft glam, like natural glam kind of thing. I'm wearing another outfit right now. I'm just gonna take a couple of pictures over here with this background. I actually have this lighting right here, but I don't think that is gonna help, so I'm just gonna put my ring light over here. I'm wearing the same tan pants and my black tube top. I have the whole setup. I've put my ring light over here and this is my camera tripod and my phone tripod. Only 2 outfit changes and I'm already tired. I'm just done with it. So yeah, this is all we've got. I took some pictures on UG Cam also. Quite happy with the pictures. So yeah, I think that's enough for today. I'm just gonna quickly change. I will see you guys once I'm doing something interesting enough to show. It's around 7:38ish right now and I just made myself a snack. I made these cheese chutney sandwiches. You get these cheese chutney sandwiches in Inox. I miss it so much. I miss going to the movies. Put some butter, green coriander chutney and a little bit of cheese. I'm gonna finish this up and then I have to call a couple of friends back because I was filming all afternoon, so I have a couple of calls that I need to answer, so I'm gonna do that. 12:30 and I have just started watching Peaky Blinders. I've literally made Maggie. I did not watch it the entire day. I actually called 3 of my friends one after the another and I just did not get the time to watch it. Literally not gonna be able to sleep because I woke up so late in the morning.
3 hours later.
It's 3:13 a.m. and I'm wide awake. I don't know what to do with my sleep cycle. It's fucking ruined.
The next day.
About 5:45ish right now. I slept around 3, woke up at around 11, 12ish, and then I made myself some lunch, got ready and everything. So yeah, by the time I start my day, it's we are making progress because I actually literally got ready. I'm wearing this top from Shein and then my sweats. Obviously, another thing that I like to snack on are these protein bars. Like they're so good and so yummy. I'm really in a great mood today. The fact that I even felt like getting ready on my own, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, these past 2 weeks were so bad for me. Like I was feeling so anxious, just not motivated enough to like film something. I've realized that whenever I do that, whenever I just put something for the sake of it, it just doesn't work well for me. It doesn't matter what other people are doing. It doesn't because it really used to get to me that how on earth are people making so much content, how on earth are people trying to post so many things. It's not like I like force myself. It's not like if I don't post anything or if I don't do shit, people are going to care. It's not like that. It doesn't matter if I post anything or not. But for me, I was trying to be so hard on myself that you have to post something and you have to be relevant all the time. These past couple of days I was watching Peaky Blinders. I was just so involved that I forgot what my real life was like, and I stopped watching YouTube. I stopped watching what other people were doing. I was literally not even posting as much on Instagram. I just disappeared for a while because I don't know, I just wanted to wake up, do like something else that did not involve social media. I just let myself be, and now I'm willingly wanting to like film. There are people who are actually struggling with getting outside the bed. The fact that I'm not even leaving my house, I've literally not left my house in over a month. I do not go out for groceries also, and that also fucks with your head. Even today, I was actually not gonna vlog today. I did not plan on this, but yeah, I was actually feeling like it and I felt like I should vlog, so I did. I'm gonna go and take a couple of pictures. I set my tripod over here, right here by my window. We're gonna try and make this work. Take those portrait pictures near the white wall that I have, and I get these pictures. I put my ring light over there, and then that's how I take it. This is my little setup. Now I'm gonna fix my camera over here. I'll show you guys how they turn out. I tried taking pictures over there, but it just did not work out. Came here again, I took some pictures. I just inserted over here. I also brought the most aesthetic book of all times to take pictures. It's already starting to turn dark, so I cannot take more pictures. I feel like I've done like a really good job in these 2 days. I've taken a lot of pictures. Tomorrow I'm just gonna edit all day. I think I'm getting in that zone, and I finally feel like I'm gonna start making more and more styling videos, like summer styling videos. Even though like we're not gonna go out, I just want to dress up every other day now. And yeah, not every day, but like every other day I'll try and post like more styling videos and stuff like that for whenever we are gonna be ready to go out. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna keep it that much for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Comment down below and let me know how you guys' quarantine is going. What are you guys doing? How are you keeping yourself motivated? Maybe it'll help me. We can talk in the comment section below. Let me know how are things going for you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys soon.